When my pen won't work like it used to before, and I can't remember anything, will my mouth still remember the taste of my food? Will my own girlfriend laugh at me? 'Cause you know I've been studying for a 17, and my exam marks are only adding up to 33.
Your marks have been downgraded to junk stage highs, yeah.
And I'm thinking about how people fail exams in mysterious ways. Maybe by not studying hard. Me, I failed my last exam in a weird way. I fell asleep for quite some time. So mommy, now send me some cash to re-register. I spent all of my time snoring so loud, with my head on my sweaty arms. I'm snoring out loud. I fell asleep where I was.
Ryan, get a picture of Mr. Marsh apologizing.
When my hair's in a mess and my memory fades,
Apologize.
the invigilator looks my way.
Hey man, wake your up.
30 minutes had passed, I only had a page. I know I'll write a supplementary, 'cause when I woke up, I had no idea I fell asleep. And now this moment will forever be in memory. I'm thinking about how people fail exams in mysterious ways. Maybe by not studying hard. For me, I stayed up all night and made the mistake. Now I'm retaking my exam. Professor, now take me into your loving arms. I swear I won't fall asleep the second time. Take your pen and just give me marks. I'm thinking out loud. I fell